After verifying your account and enabling two-factor authentication, you will be able to deposit euros into your wallet. Start by logging into your Kraken account. On your homepage, navigate to your wallet and click on Deposit. On this page, select your currency, payment method, and the deposit amount. For this example, we will use the direct deposit method via Plaid, which incurs no fees. Enter the amount of your deposit, then click on Continue. Select your banking institution, then click on Confirm. You will be redirected to your bank's security authentication. For instance, you might have to approve the transaction via your mobile app. Once this step is completed, return to your homepage. If your funds do not show up immediately, wait a few minutes before refreshing the page. Congratulations, you have deposited euros into your wallet. Your funds are also accessible on Kraken Pro in your Spot wallet.